The barbecue sauce is really good. Today we're going to be making some high protein tacos with some soy protein. Are you excited?
We should say, when the next meal?
All right, good morning everyone and welcome to another Fit Vegan cooking video. Today we're going to be making some high protein tacos with some soy protein. Are you excited?
So good, yes, very excited.
This was Ivy's idea. So a company sent her some shredded soy protein and we're going to be using it for the recipe today. So we're going to cut over to Ivy sharing the ingredients we're going to be using. It's going to be simple, it's going to be delicious, it's going to be high in protein, and it's going to be plant-based.
All right, so for today's ingredients, we will be using the yellow corn tortilla, some black beans, of course.
Add some more fiber, more protein.
Love our limes. For flavors, onions, of course some avocado. Can't have a taco with no avocado. Some yummy fresh tomatoes. We will be using this bone sucking sauce that we just found out yesterday, and it was actually really delicious.
Yes.
It's 100% vegan.
Yeah, so disclaimer, they use vegan ingredients in it and they say to use it for plant-based, but I know it's called bone sucking sauce, which I thought was funny. That's why we got it. And it tastes really good. We had some yesterday.
Very catchy. And of course some taco seasoning that we will be using for our shredded soy protein.
So yeah, we got our protein source with the soy protein with the black beans, and then we got all of our veggies, and then obviously the bone sucking sauce. So let's get to cooking. Good looking. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rehydrate the soy protein. So we got a container with some water in here. We're going to start the stovetop, and then we're going to cover it, let the water boil a little bit, and then we're going to add our soy protein after. While that's happening, we're going to be cutting up our tomatoes, avocados, and onions so we can start cooking those. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to strain our black beans, and we're going to heat them up a little bit. I'm going to go put them in this pan right here. We're just going to use them just to slightly heat them up. All right. This is going to taste a lot better in the tacos. So we're going to turn this guy on. All right, just like medium to low heat. Just heat them up. They'll kind of open up a little bit. That tells you that they're going to be ready. This is going to be to warm up our tortillas. All right. So our water is, pretty much boiling a little bit. Got a few bubbles in there. So we're going to be doing 2 cups.
1.
1 cup for you and I. Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to be doing 1 cup of the shredded soy. You guys want to see the texture? Well, that's a little bit more than a cup. You can see a little texture. It's like nice and fine. It's kind of like shredded. It's meant to be like shredded chicken, basically. Just gonna put, I'm gonna put a little bit more protein. Perfect. So what we're going to do, we'll use the same one. We'll just kind of stir this up. And we're supposed to bring it down to medium heat at this point. And then we're going to cover it and we're going to let it soak up the water before we drain it and then add all of our taco seasoning and some of the barbecue sauce in there. We'll move over to cutting our vegetables. So Ivy's going to be doing that.
Okay, now, so I have a style here. I know it's not the traditional. Wait, listen. Oh.
It's going over. There we go. Hey, we're learning as we're cooking. All right.
Look, it's like shredded.
There you go. Look at that. Looks really cool. Almost caught on fire. That's okay. You seem so excited about it.
Because I know I'm going to hear it from people. She doesn't know how to cut.
Nah, you get good feedback on the cooking videos.
Well, I don't know how to cut. So I'm just going to do it the way.
Oh my God, I can tell that you don't know. Hey, Mala, wait. Wait. Take out the knife.
No, I like it. So I know you want to flip over the smoother side, but this grips my knife better, so I feel safer. Sometimes it actually slips because it's so smooth.
Yeah, because you have to cut the skin first.
This is my style.
All right, it's Ivy's cooking show. Let's go for it. Oh, look at these muscles. Look at these muscles.
Okay. So, it's probably weird. I should probably peel this off first.
While Ivy's doing that, I'm going to strain the soy protein here.
I never claimed to be a chef.
So you mentioned we got to pat it down?
Yeah, pat it down, like gonna try to dry it so the flavor will be more absorbed when we do the seasoning.
All right. Let's listen to Master Chef over here.
I can do instructions, I just can't actually do things.
Ivy's a great teacher. In terms of implementing for herself, it's different.
Yeah, like golf.
Yeah, she taught me how to golf, and I surpassed her pretty quickly.
Yeah, but I'm a good teacher. Okay, so what's a taco without lime?
You need some lime.
So, taco-ish.
That's a great sentence. So taco-ish.
Well, you know, you can use lemon, but lime's so much better, though. Do you agree?
I'm admiring your cutting technique.
Thank you.
All right.
There you go.
Hey, but it is looking nice.
Right? See, it's the outcome. They can't tell. Okay.
Well, now they can tell because you told them in the video.
No, it's our... Oh, look how perfect this is.
I say, how did you cut that?
Ta-da! How did I cut?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you're doing a great job.
I am. Thank you. Oh.
You just broke it.
Okay, let's pretend you didn't see that.
I'm zooming in on it for you. You're cutting it sideways. What is wrong with you?
Now I'm gonna scoop it. Watch.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's a. I'm gonna
guys,
teach you.
I'm
guys.
going to end this massacre. I'll just show you guys the final result.
I need a spoon.
Oh, you're ready. All right, cool. So we have our black beans here, as you can see. You know, they're opened up a little bit. They're cooking. They're looking good. They even imprinted inside the pan. So we're going to dump these into a bowl so we have everything ready to go. Again, fiber, protein with the beans. Now, we're going to grab our soy protein. We're going to put it in the pan. We're going to add our taco seasoning. We're going to add our barbecue sauce. I almost said the name of the brand again because it's so good. Okay, so again, I've washed my hands. So just, actually, you know what? There's a tongs where are these guys? Bam, right here. I'm gonna be classy.
You fancy.
I know. So if you guys know, a while back we made a taco video and it had like pickled coleslaw with some onions and we shredded tofu. Put it in the oven, basically kind of like a little bit of dehydration with some seasoning. It was really good.
Oh yeah, we did bake it last time.
Yeah, we baked it last time, so this is a little bit different on this one. So we got medium heat. We're gonna make sure we get all of our protein in here. There you go. All right, this way. Lower the heat a little bit. We're gonna grab our taco seasoning. I won't put the whole thing. I'll just put a little bit of it. Ooh, that smells so good. Can you smell it on camera?
Smells like taco.
Hey, the way technology is evolving, maybe one day people will be able to smell it through the camera.
You probably want a lot more because it absorbs it.
Yeah, let me just mix it a little bit. And we're gonna add our barbecue sauce and cover it as well. Okay, so then we're gonna grab our barbecue sauce.
Say it.
Bone-sucking sauce.
Yum.
There you go. You guys can make your own sauce. I feel like this is a local one to where we are. So, I believe so. All right. Gonna add a little bit of moisture to it. Look at that, it's already looking really good. A lot better.
A lot better.
It was looking pretty pale before. Right, so that's roughly like 40 plus grams of protein just for all of this. All right, so I'm just gonna grill it a little bit just to have a little bit of crunchiness to it. And then once that's done, what we're gonna do is we are going to, oh, actually, you know what?
Wait.
Where is our tacos?
Sorry.
We're actually going to,
I messed up.
that's okay. I forgive you. I saw how you cut vegetables. I don't want you to be near me with a knife. All right, so we got our pan, we got our corn tortilla. We're gonna warm up several of them. How many do you want?
2,
5?
please. 200.
5? Okay, cool. So yeah, we're gonna warm these up, let that cook, and then we'll see you guys when it's time to assemble everything. All right, guys, so all the ingredients are ready. We're gonna start assembling our tacos. We'll give you guys a nice close-up shot of how we're gonna be building them. So we're gonna start off with our little soy protein. I'll put some for you. I'm gonna be a gentleman.
Thank you.
There you go. Yeah, we heated up our tortillas. That's how you say it?
Tortilla.
Tortilla. Tortilla?
Tortillas.
Tortilla. All right. And then, oh, actually, we need some spoons for these guys.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Right there. All right, we're gonna add some tomatoes. All right. I'll let you choose how much you want. Ivy doesn't like red onions, so these red onions are for me. That's all
I
I
like
did.
them when they're caramelized and cooked.
Yeah, those are pretty good as well. All right. Where's the other spoon that you had? You had like 5 in your hand. It's okay, we'll use the onion ones. Put some black beans in here.
Here.
There you go. Put some black beans, some extra fiber. And don't get me wrong, guys, I'm gonna have more than 2 tacos.
He's being modest right now.
We have our avocado.
Ooh, so pretty.
Ivy mashed it up. She added a little bit of lime to it as well, just so it wouldn't go brown. There you go. And if you guys want, you can add some salt and pepper if you want to, but there's already enough sodium in the taco seasoning, so I'm not going to be adding any, but we're gonna squeeze a fresh lime on top of it.
Love lime.
Yeah, there you go. I'm just gonna put it here. Perfect. Now it's time to give it a test. All right, so there we have it, a delicious, high-protein, plant-based taco recipe. Ivy, you wanna give it a shot? If Ivy doesn't fall on the ground, that means it's safe for me to eat it. If you watch any of our cooking video, Ivy's the taste tester. Yeah.
Oh, that came out the wrong way.
Dropped it. You're having a hard time in the kitchen. The barbecue sauce is really good. I could have put a bit more taco seasoning.
Yeah. Tastes so fresh.
But honestly, the tomatoes, the avocado, the onions in there.
Yeah.
And the barbecue sauce is delicious.
That's really good.
Oh yeah.
Taco Tuesday every day.
That is a winner.
Good try.
You guys have to give that a try. Let me chew my food first. So, I want to say a massive thank you to you guys for watching these recipe videos. We love hearing your feedback on them. If there's anything specific that you'd like us to cook or potentially to veganize or to make plant-based, or a dish that you enjoy that is plant-based but is potentially low in protein and you're wondering how you can increase in the protein content, let us know in the comment section below because we're always looking for new cooking video ideas. So we appreciate you all. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because it helps the channel grow. We'd love to hit 25,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And so we appreciate your support on that goal and we will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.